There is a very appropriate saying which goes like this: Guru Parameshwar eke hoy, jane birla gurmukh koi. Meaning, there is no difference between Guru and God, and this rare secret is revealed only to those who are deeply connected to the higher. The Supreme Power, the Almighty, is in a subtle form. He is formless, shapeless, and colorless. So, when the Almighty appears on earth, he takes the human existence. And we call that God energied human existence a Guru. Once, Sri Paramhans Dayalji visited a devotee's home. So, everyone in the family gathered to feel Dayalji's grace. But a little boy, he was like sitting far away from everybody. So Dayalji observed all this and he asked the owner of the family why that boy is being neglected and nobody is even going close to him and nobody is even touching him. Then his father replied that he is suffering from a hazardous disease called cold. And the doctor said that nobody should go close to him, otherwise anyone can catch that disease and die. So that's why that unfortunate child is being isolated. Suddenly, Dayalji just got up and went close to that boy and sat along with him on his bed. All the family members were like shouting that, no, Dayalji, please don't go close to him. But still, Dayalji sat next to him and pampered his head and said, you will be perfectly all right. Just chant this mantra, meditation, for 21 days. With these words, Dayalji left the place. After 21 days, the same doctor who was treating that child visited the house and asked a random boy in the house that if that little boy who was suffering from the disease is still alive or dead. Then that boy replied, which boy are you talking about? I think I am that same boy who was suffering from that disease. Then the doctor asked, he was very shocked. He asked out of curiosity, which doctor prescribed you all the medicines? You look perfectly fine now. The boy replied, the doctor of the doctors, Maharaja Dhiraj, Yogi Raj, my Shri Paramhans Dayalji. He healed me, he cured me. So, this is the power of Guru. जहाँ पे साइंस डॉक्टर सब फेल हो जाते हैं, वहाँ पे काम करती है गुरु की शक्ति. तभी तो गाते हैं ना कि छाई काली घटाएं तो क्या, तेरे आंचल के नीचे हूँ मैं. छाई काली घटाएं तो क्या, तेरे आंचल के नीचे हूँ मैं. उसने पकड़ा मेरा हाथ है, फिर डरने की क्या बात है. क्यों तू भटके यहाँ से वहाँ, इनके चरणों में आ बैठना. छोड़ दुनिया के नाते सभी, एक दयाल जी से नाता बना. ये कराते मुलाकात है, दयाल जी की क्या बात है. दयाल जी ने पकड़ा मेरा हाथ है, परमहंसों ने पकड़ा मेरा हाथ है. So, trust your God, trust your Guru, trust your spiritual practices, and stay protected. Love, and blessings to all from the higher.